Hello, friends, and welcome back to Habit, Heart, and Possibility. This channel is all about journaling, gentle productivity, cozy routines, reading life, and creative planning. If that sounds like your kind of space, tap that like button so YouTube knows to share this with more creative planners like you. Today, we're doing another recipe. This is one of my daughter's favorite solo desserts. We are doing the gluten-free red velvet mug cake. So, if you have a gluten allergy, like celiac, this is perfect for you on one of those days where you just need a quiet moment to yourself, and it takes 5 minutes to make. You can get 10 minutes to yourself. Indulge in a rich, velvety chocolate goodness in a mug. So here we go. Now, she found this recipe on fearlessdining.com. So I will put that down here. And right now, this is a 4-star for her because her 5-star is her newfound chocolate mousse that she makes for herself. I will put that one up soon too. I do not have the recipe for that one yet. I don't know where she has it, but I will find that for you. 3 tablespoons of gluten-free flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of baking. Oh, no, cocoa powder, sorry. Oh, we do have baking powder here, but it's only 1/2 teaspoon, so. Oh, sorry, guys. So we have this. Mm. I have a teaspoon of baking powder. Small dash of salt. 2 tablespoons of butter or light oil for those who have dairy issues. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of non-dairy milk. It says you can use regular milk, but she specifically put non-dairy. And a 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar. Oops. Of red gel food coloring. And 1 egg. Room temp is best. All right. Directions. First one. Add dry ingredients to your favorite microwave safe mug and mix well. In a bowl, mix dry ingredients with red food color. They have you transfer it into a bowl so that it mixes evenly. It doesn't mix as evenly if you do it in the cup or the mug. Pour wet ingredients into mug of dry ingredients. Note: be sure the mug is only 2/3 or less full of batter. So that's how big your mug should be. If not, then you'll have to switch your mug. Use spoon or one of those cute little spatulas. My daughter loves to collect those cute little spatulas to scrape along edges and bottom of mug. So the flour doesn't get trapped and not cook. Place mug on plate. That's for spills, just in case it spills over. And microwave for 90 seconds. Mug cake will rise a little, so don't panic. And then sink a little. This is normal. You'll know your cake is done when the top is a little firm and the cake has pulled away from the edges a little. Okay. And more notes. She has put on here, if you a gluten-free flour that does not have, hold on, if you use a gluten-free flour that doesn't have lanthanum gum, and I know one of my followers said that she can't have the gums, so I want to put this down. Add 1 teaspoon more flour. Okay. And we already talked about how you can use non-dairy or dairy milk or butter or light oil to make it dairy free if that is needed. Okay. And you can frost it. So last part, frost and enjoy. Okay, prep time, 3 minutes. Cook time, 2 minutes. No preheat. Serves 1. So for mug cake frosting, ingredients, 2 tablespoons of soft butter and 3 to 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon water if needed. Mix butter and sugar. And drizzle over cake. Other non-dairy option is just use powdered sugar. There you go. Gluten-free red velvet mug cake for that solo evening alone, that moment to yourself with chocolatey goodness. Let's put a little something on here like love this, right? And you can put something on the back here. There we go. A reason to have your mug cake. Celebrate every victory. Small little reward for yourself, right? Thank you for being a part of this cozy corner of habit, heart, and possibility. If you enjoyed today's video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video, and tell me in the comments, because I always love hearing from my creative community. And I'll see you soon.